Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this beautiful little video that I'm making. In this video I'm gonna show you how I will pass yet another account, yet another challenge account on Apex Trading. It is almost passed. Of course here I'm in a very small drawdown of 0.2%. This needs to go to $3,000 in order to pass. Now you will see the precision of my hyper scalping strategy. I'm not of course willing to show you the drawings right here. It is something that I can teach you of course. And let me show you that those accounts, this is the past account, the 25k account. This account needs another 2k to be passed. Then I have this account that is being copied the very same time from Tradeovate. It is half of it and more is passed. And I have this account which is the funded account which I have not touched at all. Now, I will show you with this live, let's say, right now that I'm doing, how I will pass this account. This is real price action playing out right now, so I'm not manipulating anything. This you might say it is, Chris, you are in a drawdown. Yes, I am. But imagine this is a 50k account and I am in a drawdown of not even 0.3% at this point, almost 0.3%. And this is something that is happening very rarely. Usually I'm scalping it to the pip, but this is one of these situations that you might think that, oh, this is not working, but it is working. It is working absolutely fine, and you will see how it is working. Just pay very close attention here and you will see that it is working like a charm. Okay, just pay close attention. And those orders that I have right here, they are not placed at random points. They are placed for very specific reasons where they are placed. Those I'm copying over here, guys. If you check it out right here, I am copying those three accounts. So this is why you see that the same orders have been placed on all of those accounts. Now my plan is to get funded with multiple accounts and trade all of them at the very same time, of course. Okay, this is my plan. And now it wouldn't be crazy to see price shooting up from all the way down here. And no, it is not because of this fair value gap that you might think. There are other reasons why price is gonna shoot up, which if you want to learn, you see that I have increased the price for mentoring and for the academy, because this right here is absolute gold. Actually, I shouldn't be sharing this one at all, but I can teach you that absolutely, guys. Of course, not with the same price that I would teach you any other strategy. This is absolute gold right here. This can fund you with many accounts per week. So every single week you can achieve multiple fundings if you learn this strategy, as I am doing, as I will show you right here also. I have been trading futures for just a little bit. Then you will say, Chris, then how can you teach us? Well, I have been trading the logic of futures. How easy it is to trade futures for me, transitioning from CFDs, it is out of the world. It is like a printing machine for me. I'm coming, I'm printing, and I'm out. That's it, guys. So if you want to learn the same bullshit again and again, go ahead and learn it. But if you want to get funded with multiple accounts per week, if you follow those simple steps right here, then go ahead and do so as well. You will see how price soon will explode all the way up from here. Just pay very close attention. I know oil, I'm very experienced on oil trading, and let me do that. Maybe those orders are gonna be activated, let me tell you that. Not sure, but there is a very high probability that at least this one is gonna be activated. Maybe not as well. Now regarding take profits, we will close more profits once this passes this point. Of course, first profit is gonna be right here. And I should be showing you that from the Tradeovate platform actually. You see, I have my first take profit over here. Here is the accumulated loss from all of the three challenge accounts that I have remaining here, which I will get them funded, all of them, no question about that. You will see the power of the strategy when you join. It's not like random things as people are doing, random gambling bullshit. And you see the risk, I keep it very low. You might say, where is the stop loss? But there you go. We were filled in the other order. You will see the reaction right now. Wait and see the reaction. And then you will tell me, Chris, how did you know? So this is not even a 0.5% loss, guys. It is a 0.4% loss. One of these areas exactly is gonna send price all the way up. There are very specific areas. They are not random areas. It's not like because of the values of the areas. Not at all. You see this was at 84.99 somewhere. And this is at 84.95, so it doesn't play any role. There is a very specific reason why this thing is happening. And any single one of these prices, with the latest one being this one, can send price all the way up and very quickly, as it happened yesterday when I got funded while drinking coffee, guys. Today it is the 11th and on the 10th I got funded as well while drinking coffee. Of course, I had the areas highlighted from my PC and I placed the orders, very small orders, and price did exactly that. Actually, price went even below my area and then went all the way up. Usually it will tap on my area 99% of the times, and I'm not exaggerating, it will tap and it will go, then it will tap and it will go. It is not support resistance, it is not fair value gaps, it is not any of the bullshit that you might think it is. Of course, fair value gaps hold a high significance still, do not get me wrong. But if you think it is that, it is not that. And here we have the individual account to the pip. Here, maybe this can be the one that will send price all the way up. Who knows? I really believe in this one. But the last resource here is this trade over here. Let me tell you that. Let's see if we are gonna see a huge reaction, a huge bullish candlestick as we saw yesterday with the other trade right here. I was in this one and price went down as it does now, and then it went all the way up. The very same thing happened yesterday. You see, price is retracing, and then I passed the account instantly. So I'm making this video, which is kind of live. I'm doing that live with the signals, of course, in the signals. But if you want to really learn the strategy, you need to go to the mentoring or the academy, guys, and the other strategies, the other bunch of strategies that I have. There you go. This is gonna be it now. It is gonna push. It is gonna push very hard, and we're gonna pass yet another account. Let's not forget to close profits, because this account will be passed. It just needs, of course, with the commissions, $120 in profit. So one profit is here, exactly right here, but the others, we should regulate it in a way that we will pass at least this account, because the others we cannot pass in this trade unless this runs all the way up so suddenly as it did yesterday right here. So I decided in this very specific video to open the recording. I could have done it on any other video where you would see an instant reaction, but there is a reason why I did that. In order for you to see that one of my areas is gonna be respected to the pip. The worst case scenario with this strategy is what you see now. So the worst case scenario is a 0.4% drawdown. Just be patient and let it play out, guys. It's the only thing that you can do. Be patient and let your trade play out. Do not try to force anything or close anything because you are afraid of potentially losing the trade. If we lose it, we will close the trade. It is fine. But the winning percentage is extreme here. You see the number of trades today. I have already a profit of 151. I could close the trade here and still be in minor profit. Now not because of the commissions, but I would be very close. Number of winning trades, 11 out of the 13 trades, guys. This is for today only. Very small trades, and this is the worst case scenario that can happen that you see right now, but this is gonna be a win as well. Actually, this has, I think, a 100% winning percentage, which might sound crazy, which means that for every individual trade, I'm always until now up. Maybe I regulate the risk, that's why you see right here that I have won 11 and I have lost 2. Actually, it says number of losing trades 1. 1 break even then. There should be 1 break even somewhere. Anyways, we don't care about it. It is 1 break even because it is 11 winning, 1 losing, and in order to get the 13, it means that we have 1 at break even. Simple as that. So watch this number now become positive slowly. Do not worry about this thing. It will come down and then it will push back up again. So this is a really golden strategy, not the bullshit that people are showing you. They're sharing the same and the same and the same things every single time. Let me go to the 1 minute for a bit. Yeah, now it is retesting my previous area of entry, I think somewhere here, and price I think is gonna go all the way up from here, guys. Let's give it some time, of course. I will let you with the trade a little bit. I don't need to be talking the whole day in front of the trade. I will close the microphone, I will shut the microphone, I will place this part on fast replay, and I will be back with my voice. See you in a bit. Needless to say that when I'm leaving my PC screen everything is working smoothly. That's why many times I decide to leave the screen. Let's open it from Tradeovate because we will close a little bit more aggressively, we will sell more here to eliminate some risk, but this now is gonna explode, guys. And the way it's gonna explode, you will like it. It's gonna go very hard, very suddenly towards the upside. So here, you see now this candlestick is gonna be printed a little bit more, and then it's gonna do the boom, the final boom. And those 2 profits are gonna be hit instantly. Okay, let's see it from here, guys. It is happening from here now. Look at that. Look what's gonna happen. Let me open it on the left as you watch what is happening on the right. It is crazy. Look now. You hear the notification. There we go. It is opened. I have it right here. This is not enough. It will explode now, guys. Look. It will explode. But I need to be on the other side, right here, in order to close parcels, in order to pass this account. So scared traders could have closed here at break even, no problem, and take your profit of 151 minus the commissions, of course, at this point. But we will go ahead and pass this account, at least this account that needs $120 with the commissions that have been removed now. There you go, now it will explode. 10, 20, 30, you will see it very soon. Wait and see, it is gathering liquidity from the downside to explode towards the upside. There you go, it is coming, it is coming. Let me see if my recording is working properly, because it will be a pity for you to miss me passing a 50k account live. Look at the explosion that is gonna happen now. Are you ready? It is 1 minute, it is coming, the next candlestick is gonna explode. If not the end of this, if not this one, the next one is gonna do the explosion, because this now is gathering again more liquidity towards the downside. Resistance traders are selling from here, and now it will explode, because I know that, because of my pinpointed area that you are not getting for free, of course. Look, I will transition here in order for you to be able to see all of the accounts. Be ready, do not worry about that, the explosion is coming. Look what's gonna happen in these 15 minutes. This 15-minute candlestick is gonna be it, guys. Just be patient. Price might even go down again and retap on my golden zones. And it's not Fibonacci. If you think that it is Fibonacci golden zones, you are mistaken. And of course I will show you live, now that this account will be passed. We have until 4:59. I expect this not to, how is it called? Not to consolidate for another 2 hours. There you go, this candlestick is pushing. So it will do the boom and we are finished with at least one of the accounts. Of course I will need to close most of the profits in order to get past on this one, and I will let the rest run for the other accounts. if I manage. Yeah, we'll do it manually here actually, I can do it manually. And of course here you could have regulated your loss, you could have closed at break even, you could have done a lot of things. You see, it works. If you want not to take any loss, you cannot take any loss. Let me show you this thing from here, the trades from the Tradeovate platform. And I will make more videos on how to use the Tradeovate, how to connect multiple accounts, as you have seen me doing here. I have those 3 challenge accounts, this and this and that, and I have the account, the normal account, the performance account, which I have not touched, because when I get funded on at least 4 accounts, then I will create another, how is it called? Another group of accounts. There you go guys, there you go guys. What did I say? What did I say? Look. How many times did I say it? Imagine when I started with this video on purpose. I started with this video now, and I didn't start on a very nice winning trade, because I want to show you that even in the worst case scenario, it will happen from my pinpointed areas exactly as I told you that it will happen. I'm not nervous, I just want this thing to finish because I need to work. I need to show you how the account is passed on Apex, the notification that you receive when it is passed, and all of the beautiful things. And there you go, it is pushing now and it will go all the way up. When it passes this area, we are done. There you go. Oh my god, every single time. Every single time. Of course here you can regulate some risk if you want. I will not. So you could still close, let's say, 2 of the positions there at break even and let the better positions from all the way down here to run. I will not do that. I will let at least this area to be hit, in order to show you that you don't even need to be super cautious and afraid when trading. Because look what this candlestick is gonna do now. Not now, I mean with this 15-minute candlestick. It needs another 9 minutes. This is gonna be the one that is gonna push price all the way up. Yep, there you go. One order is gone. There you go guys. What is going? What did I say?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Did we pass it by the way? No.
Order filled.
Not everything? No, we're not passing yet. We're not passing yet because, yeah, we could close here technically. Now, you know what? Now we can let the rest run. I closed very aggressively, I know. The reason for that is that I want to pass this account. It needs $90 and those $90 will be hit right here. Somewhere around here. The rest. I can even say that I want to increase this a little bit and say that I want to do that in order to be sure that I pass. But what did I say, guys? What did I say? If this comes back, all the way back, I'm considering closing this one and I will let this buy limit now. But what did I tell you? How many times did I tell you exactly what price is gonna do? Learn from this video. Do not go ahead and be stuck on the same thing that they have taught you. Learn from me. How did I know when I started this video? You think I'm doing it 1000 times? Ask me if you want when you join to show you my accounts. Do you think this is the 1000th account that I'm doing that? And I have recorded 2 million videos? If you believe that, you are out of this world, really. I'm doing that every single day, live. And those people who want to learn, they learn. The others who don't, they don't. So now this, because of my huge experience, there is a very specific reason why I closed aggressively here. Price shouldn't stop at all. Price should go instantly all the way up, but it stopped. That's why I closed most of the position and I let this one over here. Now this of course we don't need, let's not forget that on the chart. If price comes back, I will close this one at break even. Of course the commissions have destroyed us. In order for the commissions not to destroy us, I should have started closing right here and above. There is a reason, as I said, why I closed it almost all here and I let only this one run. Because now we are at break even actually. But you will see now we have the best position, have an open mind. Why? Look right here, we have the best position, which is this one right here. And if price comes back again, we close this one and we let this one right here. And then if there is, yeah, there you go guys, there we go. We will pass this account I think. This needs another $80 to be passed. Here we will have hit them. The logic says that right here it will be another $80 maybe. If not, I will pass it in front of you. I will take more trades, more scalps. Of course I'm gonna transfer trading view on the other side in order to activate the drawings that you shouldn't see for free. For any reason you are spending money to all of those scammers, 5,000-10,000, and then you come to me and you want to pay like $30 for something that works. No, thank you very much guys. And I will put my magical headphones as well. Do however you please, by the way. I just want to show you what I'm doing every single day. If you don't want to join, I don't have any issue with that, really. Let me look at the camera and say it. If you don't want to join, I don't have any issue at all. It is extra money for me, but I don't need it, as you can see. Professional trading here, guys. Let's be ready to close this position if it comes all the way down. I don't want to do it, I want to do it manually. So you see number 3 here, because it is 1, it is 2, excuse me. What? It is 2. We have 2. I should have closed a little bit more then. Let it be now. I should have closed a bit more. I thought we had only 1 contract left, micro contract. It is fine. I closed a little bit more. I will let the 1 micro. I will let the 1 micro and I will let this buy limit as well. I'm not closing this one. So we got out of the very bad trade. And now we didn't earn anything actually with this trade, because I know, you saw that I closed the position here, I know what I'm doing. You have to be patient with scalping. And of course we have this position right down there. Why do I leave this one as well? It might retest the very same area. There you go, and then go all the way up. That was the reason why I don't touch this one. There you go, to the pip, once again. I'm proving it once again, to the pip. To the pip, to the pip, to the pip, this area. But of course we might come lower. Let me check it out on the left a little bit. I don't want you to see my drawings. Yes, good. Nice. You see the reaction? Order filled, it says. And what do you see here? To the pip. So now we have 2 micros again, but even better position. Chris, why are you buying exactly at the bottom of this one? What are you doing? Support and resistance? No. It happens to be a very specific, beautiful area down there. From the past. From the very, very past. Anyways, enough with the talking, let this do the talking. And guys, I have started implementing some music in my videos to make them more interesting and less boring. I see where it is reacting from, so if this breaks above the 8508, it is going higher, guys. And will it react exactly from here again? Exactly where it is, it should react. Or it should react a little bit lower now, over here. There you go. Might react exactly from there, or 8494. Yeah, this is the one position that got activated, 8494, correct. Since price is struggling, let's close one of those and keep the best of the positions which we're gonna be closing, let me see, at 85, somewhere around here. This will not, maybe it will pass the account. So now I'm playing it on the safe side. Of course I see a lot of bearish momentum. Maybe price is going lower now, guys, from what I see. It is 50-50 at this point. That's why you have to be comfortable with not taking any wins. I haven't made any money, but I have regulated risk. So traders, we are back right here. There is a very specific reason, again to the pip, why I might close this position. Yeah, we are closing this position and we need another $52.3 to pass the account. Not only that, we will close this position as well. So today I have made with hyper scalping a $214.5. And there's a very specific reason again why we sold exactly right here at this specific point somewhere, where I closed my contracts, which is a sell. And in order to show you that this is accurate and correct, look at that. There you go. Here you can see that the balance is at 52,947 and 52,947. And the other accounts, of course, we have made $214 today. I will connect this video with the next video, which is gonna be tomorrow, where I'm gonna be passing this account. I'm not gonna trade it anymore today, but tomorrow I'm gonna pass it with 1 or 2 trades. Number of winning trades 18 and number of losing trades only 4, guys. Imagine that. And we have 3 break evens. Okay, spectacular. Such spectacular statistics. Of course, you will not find something like that anywhere else. Winning trade 72%, break even 12% and losing 16% only. This is a spectacular strategy that you can learn, especially if you join the one-on-one or the academy. In the one-on-one, I'm gonna show it to you exactly, even if the signals are not showing it exactly as it is. Okay, only on the one-on-one mentoring, guys. Remember that. So this is gonna do it. I will connect it with the other video. This video is not finished. You will see with the next video how I will pass this account, of course, and I will show you the certificate and the times as well. And of course the other accounts are doing fantastic. This is the funded account, which I have not touched. This is, let's go ahead and show it. Let's go ahead and deactivate this thing and I will show you the funded account, this account, which needs another now $600, not even, to pass. This account, which needs, you see, we increased it together here. We made a lot of profits. Almost half it is passed, and now this account needs another $53 dollars out of the 3,000. And I have been trading it for 1 week only, guys. So this is how to pass multiple accounts per week. I will connect it with the other video, so stay in this video as well until I show you the certificate. Tomorrow probably, which is gonna be Friday, today it is Thursday the 11th, it is gonna be Friday the 12th. So let's move forward to the next day now. Alert on GBP USD, who cares about Forex? As a matter of fact, I'm deleting Forex. I'm not doing any more Forex, guys. So Forex is gone, just for you to know. Forex is gone. One viewer, we will wait 20 minutes until 45 to see how many viewers are gonna join. I could have opened 2 micros, but I am a little bit trying to adjust to how I'm gonna be trading the PA accounts, on which I'm gonna be assuming the slightest risk ever. Again, I don't want a lot of people in here. I want only the ones that want to learn. If it is for us to be only 4 people who will coordinate what time we will be live, this will be absolutely fine for me. So this one we're gonna be closing at, let me see, okay, one moment to do some adjustments, at 85.88 somewhere. Okay, a little bit more. Still one viewer. And then we will need $35 only to pass, guys. Very nice. We need another $34. I am showing you how I passed the 50k live. So today we made 1866 after commissions. Commissions are quite huge if you see. For one micro it is 1.34 for one roundum, one micro lot roundum as we call it. Here we could be buying, but it is in a full premium. That's why I'm very hesitant to buy, to be honest. I'm gonna be waiting. Now guys, the trades I'm taking only on the 15-minute time frame. I'm not even scaling down to the 1 minute. So look at that now. I will delete the drawings again because I don't want the people. I'm gonna put this video as a YouTube video, so I don't want them to see. It is a continuation of the previous video that I showed them how I pass, and here I entered. How did I know? And I entered exactly here and I exited exactly here. Well, I knew. And the yesterday's move, we entered all the way down here. Where was it? Where was it? Yeah, all the way down here. I showed it in the video. You see, and this is the move that brought price all the way up. But how did I know exactly where price would be stopping? How did I know that? Was it the fair value gap? No, it was not the fair value gap. So those of you who are watching it as a video, I am live at the time of this recording. Go ahead and enroll in my services, which are of very high value. Of course, I increased the prices. I don't really need to be selling services anymore. So whoever needs the secret, because this is a secret right here, this is a golden secret. For those of you who watch the video on YouTube now, not for those of you who are here on the live session, I closed exactly here and you will see price now retracing from here maybe. I will put back the drawings, of course. Yeah, we could take a small buy here. Yeah, it doesn't matter, let's take a buy here. So within this week we will have a 50k and a 25k and 2 more accounts which will be going very, very nicely. And how did you know, Chris, that we will be reacting from here? It is random. No, it is not random, you moron. The moron in the YouTube video who thinks this is random, go ahead and buy the memberships with $10,000 and learn nothing, or come to the best one, ChrisFX, and learn how to trade properly. Yeah, quick nice scalp, $30 remaining. How did you know, Chris, that price is gonna be retracing from here exactly? you are doing it by luck. Everything is done by luck, guys. Those of you who are watching the YouTube video right now, everything is because of luck. I just predict the exact point where price is gonna go down, and then I predict the exact point where price is gonna go up. It is by luck. And right here, if we go and say this month and I hit go, this is also by luck. So 300 trades, I won 67% by being lucky, guys. It is all luck. 205 winners, 91 losers, 29 average winning trade, 23 average losing trade. It is very common for people to enter 300 trades and have a 67% winning percentage. Very, very common, generally speaking. And they all do it by luck. You see many people on YouTube showing you that. And here we are, guys. This is gonna be the last trade that is gonna pass the account, I think. If it doesn't play out, we will close it. We will add a little bit above. There is a reason, again, very specific reason for that. Go ahead and join the signals to learn the reason. Or of course, I would prefer if you join the one-on-one or the mentoring. And here we will go ahead and we will win this beautiful account. We have made 21.98 today. Chris, why are you selling from this exact point again? Are you doing support resistance? No. No, I'm not. I'm absolutely not doing that. Here should have been the second position, but there was a here, exactly here. There was a probability the price would never go here. It went. Yeah, but now we might see a retracement. Now, if we see a retracement, this will be a very quick scalp, of course, because we will need to close both of the micros at 85.99 around. Maybe around there. Maybe lower. Let's go and do that. Wait, we will do one at 86. We will close some at 86 and 85.99. We will close some more. A very quick scalp. Of course, the commissions here are $2.60 already. $2.60 will be the commissions of the 2 micros. Remember that we have commissions as well, guys. Consider the commissions, they are $1.30 per lot random. And if this goes way above, we have a beautiful area that we will be shorting again. So in the normal accounts, I will only be assuming 1 micro lot per area, no more than that. Here that I have 2 micro lots, it is more than what I would be having in my PA accounts. Now, when I will pass this account live, you see that I have 2 more accounts, which are one half past and one needs another 2/3. One needs another $500 or something to be passed. It is a 25k account, and the other 50k account needs 1,700 or so, 1,600. So those ones I'm gonna start hitting them hard again. Not very hard, but here it would have been 5 micros as an example. But the PA accounts are gonna go 1 micro per position, and we're gonna be trying to make $50 to $100 per day. Doesn't matter how many days it's gonna take. I need to be able to handle the drawdown. Then I will do the withdraw of the 2k per account, 2k, 2k and 1k, 1k. So 6k in total, and then I will go ahead and rebuild the account slowly while I will invest in more challenge accounts, evaluations. This is right here. This right here is a little bit tricky. Even though there is a very high probability that it will play out, I'm not adding any more because it is a little bit tricky. This, the 8610, I don't know what it is, but whatever. And these are the take profits that you see, those two down here are the take profits. Now, yes, theoretically I could be adding here, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to enforce bad habits. Now that I'm passing this account, it needs $34 to be passed. I'm willing to grab a little bit of win here. So how much am I gonna grab here as a win? Just a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6.5 ticks. It will be with 2 micro contracts per account. And let's go ahead and check out the tick value again. So here we have to be a little bit cautious. Yeah, I need to add more at 86.23. It is a little bit far away. We will get into a drawdown. Well, nothing major, of course. But what I mean, we need to be a bit cautious, guys. The only thing is that here we should be building a bit more. And guys, what's the big deal? Let's assume that we lose $100 to $200 in this trade, in the worst of the worst case scenarios, let's say. No problem at all. We will make it back today. We will pass the account today. I have an issue over here, of course, with this price action, and the issue is the following. That price at 86.12 might come and retap on 86.12 and then go ahead and go up instead of going down. I don't know that, of course. I suspect that this is gonna happen. 86.12 exactly at 86.12. Look at this point how price is gonna be reacting. I know because I'm getting this information from people who are deep inside this area. Of course, I'm kidding. I'm not getting any information by anyone. If I would be getting this information, I would be a billionaire. I still have to apply proper risk management, otherwise I wouldn't be passing the accounts. Maybe I shouldn't have added the third micro, but the logic is that if this was the one, what did I say about 86.12? It's not at 86.12. But if it would be the one that would play, I think we would be passing the account, almost at least. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, we wouldn't. We will not be passing the account if this happens. Let's see 86.12. Now it has tapped on 86.12. Look at that. What did I say? I was afraid that it will come on 86.12, tap on it exactly and then go up. What did I say? Look, 86.12, the precision of this thing. But of course, because we're in a premium, I still believe that we might be retracing down. So guys, those right here are the areas that I'm interested in. Let me go ahead and turn on the camera again. There you go. Oops. What is happening with the camera? We are not able to turn on the camera. Let's see if this thing solves the problem. So here we will be going short. All the way up there. No, there is some kind of issue with the camera. Let's see if this one solves the problem. No. This one, no. There is some form of issue with the camera, guys. But the recording is working properly, as far as I see. So those are kind of what I call the last resources of trades. There is a very specific reason again why those trades will be added all the way up there. But of course there is a chance that price is gonna go down from here. Let me see if there is one of my areas in this area. No, there is nothing. Or is there? What is that? Yeah, something from the past that I have missed, I think. Let me see. No, there is no area. Again, let me go ahead on the left screen. Probably have missed something. Let me see. Yeah, kind of. We could be selling one here actually. We could be selling one here, yes. Because this area might be wicked on the 15-minute, yeah. Well, it might be tapped and price go higher, for price to go higher again, but it might be wicked as well. So this is a very nice sell, a very nice addition to the trade. And we should go ahead and reduce risk. Maybe somewhere around here, we will see that. Now this I don't like as I see it from the trading view. Let's see how this candlestick closes. Yeah, this is retesting it to go higher, exactly right here. This new candlestick should be going below the 86.16. Maybe it will happen with this one, there is still a lot of time. Still keeping the risk very, very low. This is again, it is very nice this video because this is again the worst, let's call it the worst in quotation marks case scenario. But still we are able, as I showed you yesterday, to finish the accounts and pass the accounts. So it is 2 days in a row. Yeah, as I said, this candlestick might push down if it goes below 86.16. We are kind of very, very good. So we have sold overall 4 micros. Okay, price looks like it wants to go and tap into these areas. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. We are in a premium over here. I would love to see a little bit more volume. So this, when it goes at break even, we will be at, yeah, we will need $25 to finish, $35. So here we should be finishing with those. Let me place this buy limit here. This is take profits. These are take profits. Broken in 4 parts, as those entries are broken at very specific points. And again, guys, when I passed this one, which needs another, it says now $75. Of course, we needed another 35 down here. When I pass this one, the other 2 remaining, I will go way harder with them to get them funded maybe today again or within the next week. Yeah, now this will be going higher as I see it. Very, very small chance that this will go lower right now. It needs to wick it to make a wick on the 15-minute time frame. It needs to make a wick right here. I know why. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. It needs to make a wick that is gonna bring price below actually 86.15 at least. And then we are pretty safe, I would say, as I said previously. On the left I have all of my areas on the TradingView platform, which of course I'm not willing to show you for free. Again, the good thing is that we are in a very nice premium. Of course we are doing scalping, overall oil is going up, we are not expecting it to go down. Here we have the last grab of liquidity also, so we can expect this to be the movement that goes up, but of course with retracements which will bring price lower. I talked about the wick that needs to happen and bring price at 86.15 or 14 at least. Okay, there we go, guys. Did it bring it at 86.14? Yes. But it needs to bring it with a body. At least it did bring it at 86.14 that I talked about. Very wisely I talked about it. Let me see, 86.14, yeah, it needs to be there for a bit. Oh Chris, what are you talking about? This is done by luck. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely by luck. 100% wins. There you go. There you go. And we will see about this trade right here, if we will close a little bit of it earlier, or if we are gonna let it run and finish the account. There we go. Yeah, we are retracing. I talked about the wick. The wick happened. Go ahead and join right now. The signals, and of course I would suggest you go for the mentoring if you want to learn this thing. Only 999 for 4 sessions, guys, instead of the 1200 that you would need. Very cheap, exceptionally cheap for the value that you will get, because if you check out the statistics, if we go here and say this month, which is the only month that I'm trading this account, we have a 67% winning percentage, 2% break even, 30% losses only, and you see out of 303 trades, not out of 10 trades. This is not by luck. Again, my graphs look fantastic. This is all scalping oil pretty much, mostly. And there we go. Again, the scared traders can regulate risk by closing the position here if they want. It's not me, I'm not one of the scared traders. Now I'm gonna show you how this account is gonna be passed with this or the next candlestick. I might regulate some risk only. I might buy back, if this goes to $5, I might buy back one of the micros. This I will delete. Price might still react and go higher, I will tell you that. It needs to pass the 8607 area, 8607, but we are in a very, very good place right here. I will tell you that. We are in a very good place. Yeah, this is the exact 86.11. It is the second area that might bring price up. I still believe in my premium. Yeah, I could have regulated some of the risk here, but I want to pass this account now. It is almost past $40, guys. $40 left. So let's go ahead and pass it right here in front of you as I promised yesterday. Yesterday we made $220 on all of the accounts. Of course, these accounts are connected, those three accounts, so any profit that you see is on those three accounts as well. This and that. So all of them are taking the profit. And when I pass this one, I'm gonna show you the certificate, I'm gonna sign it, I'm gonna pay for it, I'm gonna show it in this video. Yeah, this is bringing price back up. This is a bit unfortunate. This is what I talked about earlier on, that I said our entry is exactly there. This is the problem. And this might push price higher, but still I am willing to stay in this trade, because now this area might push price lower, this 86.15 area again, or maybe not. This is what I like with oil, and I like it a lot, I will tell you that. Still, I don't see how this, it is below 86.15, it needs to be below it, actually 86.14, yeah. 86.14 will do it, not this, not 86.16 will not. 86.14 at least, because this candlestick is closing. What it is doing now, it's not very good, but if it closes at 86.14, it is quite good. If it closes above, we are into trouble, let's call it. It's not trouble though. Okay, this is medium. It should have closed at 86.15 or 14. I don't like that we reacted from 86.09, which was the area that I was afraid of. Maybe I should have regulated some risk here if I would be wise. But let's not forget that oil is ranging a lot as well. It is giving those scalping opportunities to professional traders like myself. Now if I would be on the other accounts only, I would be adding a short here even. When I pass this account, I would be adding a short from what I see. I'm not willing to do it with this account because I want to pass this one right now actually. It is almost past, guys. There you go. I need another $40 to pass this beauty. And hopefully we do not react from this area. We might react again and might send price up. I will trust my thing though, what I'm doing. Yeah, I told you, this might react again. Still I trust my trades here. I will not change my bias now. I will go and pass the account. And if we break below this area with a body, I'm not regulating risk because I believe we are going lower. Of course, I'm looking at this account. If this goes at 53,000, we have passed the account, so I can close all of the trades. Only $40 left, guys. So here I would have added on the other accounts. But I want to pass this one again. It is reacting though from this area again. Let's let it play out, guys. Let's let it play out. There we go. Yeah, I could regulate some of the risk here, that is true. But we are almost past. You see here? We are almost past. So if we go around here, I will close some of the contracts, believe me. I want us to go around here if I am to close some. Yeah, this is how we're gonna do it. And then manually, probably, if we are passing the account, I'm gonna close the other 12 instantly, let's say. Because this will do us a 3 times 4. Actually, no, and another 9, because I have 3 accounts. If this gets closed, automatically, I might close the other manually and delete those take profits all the way down here. You see that the price is first adjusting here and then the candlestick. So this is one step further always, the price right here. So the candlestick will adjust now. You will see it adjusting, let's say, to what the price did. So you will first see it, let's say, green here. Yeah, there you go. You saw. And then the candlestick will adjust. $30 to pass the account. As long as we do not penetrate 8607, we can still go up, and we can go up very, very hard until these areas. This is the last resource, guys. Actually, I should have closed some at 8607 now that I see it on the left. That was a mistake, probably. Yeah, that was a mistake. Not probably, it was a mistake. When you join, you will understand why. You can go back and check it out. So I have transitioned to futures. Exclusively Forex is garbage. Of course, I'm teaching you about Forex also in the academy and if you want in the mentoring, but trust me, futures is the way to go. It is the only way to go, actually. Shall I regulate risk here and close some in a loss? I don't want to do that, actually. That was a mistake by my side. Risk should have been regulated down there. We still have good news though, because we are below the 86.15. This is very, very good. We might violate the 86.09, but I should have closed at 86.08. Where is it? Yeah, here I should have closed the first partials. 86.08. A little bit too late for that now. Let's do it now though. 86.08, because price might react again from there, of course. But now, more likely than not, if it pushes, it will push all way above these areas, guys. We might get another reaction from here, but if it pushes, it might push all the way up here now. From my experience and from what I see on the left, and then when I pass this one, I will remove it from those accounts, from the challenge accounts, and for the other two we're gonna go very hard to pass them within probably today also, or probably from drinking coffee today again. This might happen. $35 left. It is a bit funny actually. Yeah. Now I will not make the same mistake. If price goes down here at 86.08, I will close partials. If I should have done it, of course, earlier on. Absolutely, I should have done it. And those trades, you can let them play out and you can leave your house. Of course, you have to have your phone ready to regulate them. But you can have notifications and see, for example, if this is hit first, then you can delete those sell limits up here. Yeah, this might push price all the way up now. We did a mistake for not closing something over here, guys. Doesn't matter, let's show you how still we can manage and get on the winning side. Because this, right now, as you see it, I know this is very bullish, but it might be a retest of the 86.16. And price might go lower. Well, I don't believe that it's gonna test it, to be honest. Let's see. Let's not talk bullshit. Let's let price show us. It might push it down. There is a chance. Why not? Why not? This is a very significant area being retested as a resistance, let's say. Yeah, it is being retested as I see it on the left. So either it goes all the way down now, or it goes over here. This is the absolute last resource. I don't know what's gonna happen, of course. Yeah, all I know is that I keep following my strategy, guys. Nothing more than that. Okay, that's good. That's very good. If we see, okay, I would say if we see this going to $7, so every tick now is $4, of course, because we have 4 micros open, and every tick is $1 with 4 micros, $4 per tick. You see how it is being accumulated quickly. Yeah, that's very bad now. We are gonna go all the way up, aren't we? And we could have regulated the risk here, but I didn't see it on the left. Still, nothing is done. And imagine what I'm doing here, guys. I am on challenge accounts, I am on $19 loss, and you see me already having a plan, building a new plan. $15 loss in a $50,000 account. 2 $50,000 accounts and one $25,000, and you see me talking about the $11 and the $19 to prove to you that this is a real trader who is regulating risk. I know what I'm gonna do on every single scenario with this scalping, and when we say scalping, it doesn't always need to be seconds. Sometimes it is, as you see, but now this is many minutes. Okay. Now we are most likely going to the 8608 if we penetrate our entry. Yeah, there you go. This first one is closed. We need another $30, guys, in order to pass the account. Let's let it run down now. There you go. Very nice. I think even if I close more, yeah, right here, we need another 22 to pass the account, so let's regulate risk and let's let it go down and finish the account. Looks like it's gonna be finishing the account all the way down there. Very nice, as expected. Very nice. So the drawdown was, the maximum drawdown was at 0.1% that we went. Pretty good risk management, I would say. We did very good to close some positions here. 2 of the micros. And of course we have the commissions that also do quite a lot of damage, so now we are at break even. I could close that and be in a profit again, but I want this to pass the account, of course. Let's let it pass the account. Now if it comes back, this is the question. I think we should be letting this position play out, to be honest. We shouldn't be closing at break even. We have a very strong bias now for these areas. Price should go down here at 86, at least at 86. I don't see why price would retrace up from here, to be honest. It should retest as it does the 8607 and go down to 86, or the 8608-09 maximum and go down. $25 to finish the account. $20 left, $19 or whatever. I think this will pass us the account. It will be ridiculous if $1 will be left, let's say. Yeah, this will pass us the account. There's no way. Yeah, there's no way. It is. Maybe it will be passed earlier on. Even. $18, $17 actually to pass the account, guys. Taking it slowly today. As I said, I would have added more in the other accounts up here, if you remember. Now we would have finished. But I'm trying to assimilate how I will be trading in the PA accounts with even better risk management. Very strict risk management. Okay, now it is pushing a bit. $17 left. Come on, let's finish with the account. And I'm gonna show you the process and the certificate live in the continuation of this video, of course. $15 left. Let's have this ready to 6. 6? Yeah, 6. 3 times 2. $13 left. And I have it on 6 in case that I want to close earlier if I see this being passed. $13 left. Let's go for it. $11. Come on, push it. Go for it. Oh my god. $7 left, guys. Oh my god. I have $7 left. We have made $44 today. Look at that. This is ridiculous. $7 left. Let's see if we have an area that we should be buying from. Yes, we do, but should I be buying right now? And by the way, guys, let me show you something. Let me remove the drawings. I will show you something. This might send price up, by the way, as it is. Let me remove the drawings here. There you go. You see, this right here is the area that we entered yesterday, if you recall. That sent price up, or was it this one? Maybe it was this one. Maybe it was this one. The last resource down here, yeah, that sent price all the way up. Remember this area, go to the beginning of this video and I told you that. Now price could be reacting from this level somewhere. And now we have to delete, you see, the sell limits. We forgot about them. Of course we will be selling up there, but let's delete them for now. Here we could have bought back. Everything happened very quickly though. So let's wait for the next opportunity to pass this account. And by the way guys, $45 times 4 accounts, let's say, you would have made $170, $180 actually, in a couple of hours, 1-2 hours, which is pretty good in my opinion as a salary. I will mute the microphone and I will see you in a bit. So here guys, as I'm processing this video, look at that. I will show you how I will pass the trade, the rest of the trade. Let me see, probably we should be shorting here a bit. Yeah, we could short already here. And then the two more shorts are up here and up here. Those are our positions, and the profit is gonna be 86.10. For this one, maybe it's not enough to pass the account, but still we will be almost done. I need to follow the strategy. As I said, we need another $7 to pass. Well, now we have the commissions, $9, let's say. And here I have one pending order and one more here. If you recall, previously we had those pending orders as well. So the next scalp is from here until here for very specific reasons again. This is not support resistance. This will not make us any special profits, it will just bring it a little bit closer to the ultimate win, of course. There you go. We won this order as well, $3.80 left in order to pass. Should we be buying here? No, we shouldn't. We should wait for those areas. Let me delete those areas. Price might react from this area exactly where I took my profits. There's a very specific reason why I closed my profits here. Okay. So I will see you in a bit. So there you go, you see exactly the reaction from the area where I closed the trade. I told you 86.10, around 86.10 it was, yeah. 86.10 I closed the trade, and now this is retracing towards the upside. I could have bought here, but since we are in a premium, I will sell at 86.23. I don't want to buy here. Yeah, exactly like that. This is why. And I didn't want to hold the sell, the short as well. This is scalping, and now I'm scalping with very little risk. I could have gone with 2 micros. Would have passed. I need another $3.70 out of the $3,000. I'm showing you how I will be trading the normal account now, which is of course the funded account. Futures is the way to go, guys, remember that. Forex is garbage. Of course, if you want to learn, I can teach you the best strategies compared to anyone else in the market. There's absolutely no question about that. But if you want to get funded multiple times per week very easily, futures is the way. Why would you bother with Forex? You shouldn't be bothering at all, actually. And of course Nasdaq, S&P 500 are fantastic. There's no question about that, but not as fantastic as oil. Let me check it out on the 1 minute. A buy would be possible over here, to be honest. Shall we assume the buy? The spreads are gonna activate us here though. Let me check it out. Nah. Of course not. We are not buying here. That would be a mistake. I don't know why it says number of losing trades 1. They were all winning trades today. It makes no sense why it says losing trades 1 and it is giving me a 14% losing. It was 100% winning here. I don't recall us taking a losing trade, to be honest. Maybe this one, because of the commissions, that's why, because the commissions are 1.36 and I won only 1. Okay, it is fine. There you go, from 86.10. I did very well not to buy down there. I would have been activated at 86.09. I would be in $2 in profit, but $1.36 would be the lot random. So you need to know about those things before you consider doing anything. You need to be a professional trader like myself. Let me turn you into a professional trader if you want. And soon I will be opening my personal account with futures as well, guys. This is something also very important. I don't know if I'm gonna go for the 20 accounts here. I will take it slowly. I will take 4 funded accounts first, and once those 4 will be funded, when we'll pay actually money, then I will go ahead and build my personal account as well. I will not invest any of my own money. I will do it this way. Yeah, we are respecting the 86.10 now. You will tell me, Chris, it's only $3. Yeah, but if it goes the other way around, then we need to build it up again. I know it is only $3. I don't like the price action as I see it on the left. So the spread might activate me here, 86.11. Let's go for it actually. Let's go for it. I believe in this one until these areas. Until 86.23. I believe that this might push all the way there. Because I like what I see on the left now, on my chart. I like it and not at the same time. We need another $3, $4, $5, whatever to pass. This account at 3,000 passes, of course now it is $7.40. It is even a joke discussing about those small numbers. Now, if price goes down though, against us, this is an issue then. This becomes like that. This starts becoming an issue. We will still trust this one a little bit. It's not the best trade. It's not the best trade, this one. Because this might push price down. 10. We need 1, 2, 3 ticks, 4 ticks, 5 ticks actually. We need 5 ticks if we are to pass. Let me think. Yes, we need those 5 ticks. Here we pass the account because there are the commissions as well. And of course I don't want to start building here and destroy what I have made. Okay, this candlestick closes now, which is very bad because we wanted it to close above 86.10. And we are selling, we are buying, excuse me, in a premium in this occasion, still scalping. The way I do it, you can buy in a premium, no problem. But I was expecting something a little bit different, to be honest. Even though this looks like it is pushing up, this needs to pass the 86.12 with a body and close with a body in order for us to say, okay, we are going higher. 86.12, keep this area in mind. 86.12 has to be passed with a body of a candlestick. Now it is respecting exactly our entry from the other side, which means that it is using it as a resistance, let's call it. So it might go down. Yeah, this is good now. Let's see if 86.12 is gonna be passed with a body. It is already, nah, you see? What did I say, guys? With a body. Didn't I say with a body? $4, $5 to pass the account. Price just needs to go here. I'm not willing to add more contracts. We know how these things go south very quickly when you want to pass now. So I keep doing what I will be doing in the PA accounts, the funded accounts. 86.12, we pass it with a body and then we go ahead and hit our target. Look at that. 86.12 needs to be passed with a body and then our target is 86.16. 4 ticks only, guys. We are at 86.12 but we haven't passed it with a body. Almost, we are struggling to. What is there, Chris, at 86.12? There is something at 86.12, guys. Something that I can teach you. Look what price is doing at 86.12. In this specific occasion, these numbers change every single time. It's not like if you go ahead and trade the 86.12, you're gonna make any money. It is a little bit funny how I came to the point of holding the key to a trader's success, and of course it is not a scam. You have seen my statistics. A scam would be if I wouldn't show you my statistics. and you see the dates of the contracts, you will see today that I will sign the other contract, or tomorrow maybe it will be the 13th, because they might send it at 12 a.m. You will see it. So you will see 2 accounts passed within this week, and it's not like I'm trading 2,000 accounts. If you join, you will see those are the only accounts actually that I'm trading. Those 4 accounts right here. Okay. This is past actually. There you go. Oh my god, are you kidding me? We need 5 cents. Guys, we need another 5 cents to finish the account. Okay, now we will be shorting at 86.23. Let's post that in the group. Let's call it 5 cents. Here I could be shorting it for the 5 cents, but it is the commissions also. Ah, there you go. Okay, price is pushing, very nice. 86.23. We want to be shorting. Only thing that I'm afraid is that this thing will push very, very suddenly and it will bring me in a drawdown, but 86.23 is the way to go. Let's wait for it to pass it and reject it probably, or I will do it manually anyways. $86.23 exactly. So what did they say? 86.12 if we would pass it. 86.12 with the body, then we would go up to 86.23. Of course, if I would have my win over here, my take profit, we would have finished now. 5 cents, guys, left for this account. So here we go, we could have shorted around, where is it, 86.15, we didn't do so. Now we will be buying at 85, at 86 or something, or we will be shorting at 86.23. Yeah, let's leave it as it is. Here we go, 86.27 and 86.23, and for a buy we will consider the area of 85.87. What am I talking about? 85.97, 85.99, excuse me. Yeah. This will be the buy limit. One of those areas are gonna do it, guys. $0.05. This is one of the most unfortunate things that I have seen in my entire life. It is sad a little bit if you consider. Now if I would buy like that, I would be enforcing very bad habits, because then you want to pass, you buy, you need 5 cents and then you lose, for example. Even though you need 1-2 ticks, because 1 tick gives you back the commissions, 2 ticks passes you the account. So this at any given point can go all the way down though. There you go, you see what can happen. This is the exact thing that can happen, guys. Yeah, here we would have passed, but do not do that ever. And if I get activated here, I will place the take profit at 86.21 of the short. Okay, so 86.21 will be the profit then, if price makes it all the way up here. This we could say that we can add, let's say, buy stop even here, to be honest, because if it happens, it might happen very quickly, but I don't like this type of trading. This is the loser's type of trading, going with the momentum, let's say, because look what happens when you go with a momentum. This can happen. Of course, now probabilities of winning go way higher if you enter a buy here, because of the, yeah, there we go. You see, it went at 22, oh, there we go. Order is filled, guys, at $2. Wait. There we finish the account. Oh. What is going on? Are we serious here? This is not normal. This is not normal. It is not letting me pass it. I need $3. What do I need here? is not normal, guys. It doesn't make sense commissions wise. This doesn't make any sense, actually. Well, hopefully we don't get in a drawdown now that we're about to pass the account. But this might happen. One, two, three. That is very weird, my man. That is very weird. We should have passed. It doesn't make any sense. The commissions shouldn't be that big. They are 1.36 per roundum. At $2 then I should be winning 70 cents per time, 65 cents per time. Doesn't matter though, we will pass it with this trade right here. Every time we need to go through this struggle, let's say, before we pass an account. As if every individual time is made in order to not let us pass in a stressless, let's say, manner. Well, we always need to feel some form of stress, or something has to go a little bit wrong, let's say. You will tell me, what are you talking about? You need $12 to pass. Yes, but why not pass normally? Because I have done my calculations. Why do I need to play those games every single time with the prop firms? This is a thing with the 5 cents left and all that bullshit. Now, the worst thing to do right here would be for me to add another short. That would be a bad thing to do, in my opinion. We need to let this thing come all the way down, or add higher if it is. Let's not play the markets game. Here we will add a little bit more though. And we have, let's say 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 9. 3 times 3, 9. So if it goes in a good profit of at least 10, we close it in a win, guys. It is just a small push down right now, guys. 1, 2, 3, we'll do it, and we are done with this account. I think, yeah, let's do it right here to be certain that we pass this time. Excuse me. Yeah, we are going for it now. Oh my god. Come on, it needs a little bit more. You see the balance here? Okay. A little bit more. Come on, don't do that. You were like there. You were right there. Look at that. Come on, this is not possible. This is not possible. This is impossible, guys. 1, 2. This is absolutely impossible. This cannot be happening anymore, really. Finally, we're past. Finally. I will now go ahead and show you. You will see, maybe it will be this day, it is the 12th or 13th, the video will continue to show you the contract. Okay guys, so I will see you then, but first of all we need to go to the challenge accounts and remove this account right here and leave only those two accounts. You see? So now we have left this account, which needs another 1,650, and this account, which needs another $500 to pass. And we forget about that one. They were gonna give me my account now, but before we go, let's show you that this month, let's take a screenshot of that. Statistics of the hyper scalping this month, guys. This is from the 3rd, okay. From the 3rd, and we are done with the account, guys. Live, I did it here with you. Okay, so go ahead instantly, and I suggest that you run right now and you go and enroll in my service, Signals 30, and look at the certificate that I'm gonna be posting in a bit. Okay, so for you it's gonna be now actually. See you later.